Okay, I've got a new teacher here that wants to see the curriculum maps for our lower school robotics program. So what I'll do first is log in using my school Google account at chalk.com. And so I'm selecting my school account and now it's logged me in. It's taken me to Planboard because I also use this for my daily lesson planner. But if you don't have that set up, it'll likely take you right to your dashboard. So you'll see a screen like that, and we're going to select curriculum. I could have also just, selected curriculum right from here. So we'll head over to curriculum. And if you don't see that, then you need to contact me or whoever is managing your school account to make sure that they've got your account set up. So now we just search for robotics for us, or we can search for a tag. We want to look for it in the title, so you can see these. But you can also look for it to see if it's in the CS department, and so you should be able to see all the robotics programs there. Okay, so once you can just click on the program to view the curriculum map here, and that's all. What we'll also need to do, because this is published right now, it's locked, we'll need to kick it back into draft mode, which doesn't harm anything. The published version is still out there and secure, and it won't be updated until we republish it. And so once we kick it into draft mode, we can add your initials to it now that you will also be managing this content, that will edit it and the title and replace, if you are replacing this teacher, then we'll replace their initials with yours, and you are now the person designated as the one maintaining this document. This doesn't denote its original author, it denotes who is currently maintaining it.